Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to turn off read receipt of messages on Instagram. Friends, due to some reason, if you want to turn off read receipt option of a particular person on Instagram, then you simply need to open your Instagram app. In your Instagram app, press on this message icon. Now open the chat window of that person. Now to turn off read receipt option for this person, you need to press on the name. Now here you need to press on privacy and safety. Now here in privacy and safety you will find read receipt option. Now to turn it off you simply need to press here. Now when you receive messages from this person, he will not be able to see whether you have read his message or not. So friends, like this you can very easily turn off read receipt of messages on Instagram. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.